Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Teaching Corner. Have you ever wondered when to use made of, made from, and made with? Don't worry. By the end of this lesson, you'll know exactly when to use each one with confidence. Let's start with made of. We use made of when we can still recognize the original material. Look at this table. It is made of wood. You can clearly see its natural wood texture, so the original material is still easy to recognize. That's why we say, this table is made of wood. Now look at this ring. It is made of gold. You can still see that it's gold. The original material hasn't changed into something different. That's why we say made of gold. Now let's learn made from. We use made from when the original material changes completely. Look at this. Paper is made from wood. The wood changes completely into paper, so you can't recognize the original material anymore. That's why we say made from wood. Here's another example. Cheese is made from milk. During the process, the milk changes completely into cheese. You can't recognize the milk anymore. That's why we say made from milk. Now let's learn made with. We use made with when we're talking about ingredients. Look at this cake.
It is made with chocolate, eggs, butter, flour, and sugar. These are the ingredients used to make the cake. That's why we say made with. Here's another example. This soup is made with fresh vegetables. Why do we use made with? Because we're talking about the ingredients used to make the soup. Fresh vegetables are the ingredients, so we say made with fresh vegetables. Let's review. Made of means you can still recognize the original material. Made from means the original material changes completely into something new. And made with means we're talking about the ingredients used to make something. Just remember these 3 simple rules, and you'll never confuse them again.
That's all for today's lesson. I hope you now understand the difference between made of, made from, and made with.
Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Happy learning!